Blasting old paint or graffiti off of brick is the fastest way to permanently damage it. You can literally destroy the face of the brick, leaving scars that can never be fixed. Hey everyone, Andrew Meades here. I want to start sharing some professional techniques that you can use on your own projects. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to strip paint from a brick surface without causing any damage. The secret is to let the chemistry do the work for you. For a job like this, I'm using a professional grade paint stripper called Rhino Blast. Safety is non-negotiable here. This is a powerful chemical, so you absolutely need gloves, eye protection, good ventilation, or a respirator. Cover every piece of your body if you can. The reason I like this product is that it's a thick gel. It clings the vertical surfaces and takes a long time to dry out, which keeps the chemical active on the paint for longer. This is a potassium hydroxide based remover. It's a powerful alkaline that works by breaking down the binders in the paint, turning it into a soft, mushy layer that's easy to remove. Once it's applied, the most important step is to just let it sit. You have to give the chemical time to penetrate all the layers of paint. This can take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours, depending on how thick the paint is. After the stripper has done its job, the paint is ready to be rinsed away. Notice I'm not using extreme pressure here. We're using just enough water flow to gently remove the softened paint and the stripper from the surface. And the result is perfectly clean brick with no damage to the face or mortar joints. That's the difference you get when you use the right process. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more professional cleaning techniques, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next job.